F-150 right here. Pretty good condition. These prices are like wholesale prices. Got the tow hitch. They're asking $79.95 on this right here. See, let's take a look inside. You can really see. Tan leather seats in there. Got the sunroof. $195 or $7,995. Got a 4Runner right here. $34.95 on the 4Runner. Cloth interior. Let's see the back. Cloth interior as well. They got a sunroof. They got the sunroof. I don't like the chrome. The back got the chrome parts in the back. You do have your tow hitch. This is the SR5 4Runner. Tires is cleaned up pretty good. Today, no warranty as is. This is a 2000. Let's see what year the truck was. So like maybe like a 2008, maybe 2010. They got a paper. This is, dang, I was way off. Dang, it's really this 2002? This looks way newer than a 2002. Dang, it's a whole lot. Every vehicle on this lot is white. Like, that must have been done intentionally. Like, everything. Look at this. That's crazy. Got a Durango. Does have the tow hitch. These things are pretty clean, though. A little dents right there. It's 2004 Durango. Some of their vehicles out here do have like high miles on them. No price on this one. Got the running boards. Tow hitch right there. And this is the Hemi. Let's see what year this is. Armada right here. I do like the Armadas. They got a different shape to them. You got the tow hitch. The bumper sticks out real far. Look at that. Running boards. This is a 2007. And let's see if this has the miles. No miles on it. It doesn't show the miles. I'm gonna have to move my truck up. Got the chrome mirrors, chrome front. No price on it. But the Armada is a pretty big SUV, you guys. Got a dent right here. Starting to rust where the paint cracked. You have the sunroof. And you got your roof rack. This is the thing I love about the Armada. You got that back handle. And let's take a look inside. We gotta go back. We didn't look in the Durango, y'all. I'm tripping. Got your screen, your tan leather seats in the Armada. And obviously you got a third row seat in the back. Can't really see that good. Ooh, we got a little bit of bird peep. This, let's see if this is leather or cloth. It might be leather. Yeah, it's leather. Gray leather interior in the Durango. Now obviously you got your third row seats in here. You guys can see it that well. Can't see that good. You got a little bit of spots right there. Nothing too bad. Let's see, look like another. Got a the F-150 over here. Yep, a Ford F-150. This thing is lifted, so that's nice. You got the tow hitch. This is a short bed. Got those nice Bridgestones on there. Is that Bridgestones? Oh no, those are not Bridgestones. I'm tripping. I don't know what does it say. Oh, Wild Peak. But those are nice rims and tires on there. With fat tires. Let's see. Cloth seats though, but you can fit somebody else. You can fit 3 people in the front. I don't know if you got a sunroof. Let's see. XLT. You got them hazy lights though. Them hazy headlights. You'd have to get those cleared up. All right now, RCX, lift on there. And we got the Silverado right here, the Z71. I'm gonna have to move my vehicle up. Yeah, that's a 4x4 Silverado. Got the tow hitch, of course. This clip is bent, plastic parts bent on the back, some. Like all white vehicles, crazy, right? Can't see in the back windows, too dark. It's cloth interior. These don't have no price on them. We're gonna move up some. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 straight white vehicles. Really weird. Let's see. Let's move up, you guys. So we're gonna move up. That way nobody steals my vehicle. Yeah. All right, we'll be right back. Alright, so we do have some other color vehicles. They still have, oh no, that's a different one, Explorer. So we got the old school Equinox right here. Does this have a tow? Oh, okay. I was about to say, I thought I seen a little tow hitch on this thing. This is so little. It's a straight see-through windows. I hate that. My window's gonna be tinted some. This is a 2007. Got the sunroof, no sunroof, no, oh, what's the price? $29.95, not bad, but depends on the miles. Foggy headlight. Okay. Little Kia Soul right here. No sunroof. Cloth seats. This is a 2011. Got the little white designs on the side. Looking good. Black Kia Soul. Kind of reminds me of mine, but obviously way older. This one's $3,995. Okay. We got our Volkswagen Tiguan. This is a 2012, so cloth seats. No sunroof. Grand Prix. Of course, it's a white Grand Prix. Everything on the lot is white. And I think, you guys, I believe we had seen the BMW here before, the convertible, the 325 CI. So it is, yeah, I think it's supposed to be a lifetime. So short, it's so low. Looks pretty good. good separation in the bumper. No. You do got the tan leather interior in there. I don't really like that blue top on there. But other than that, the thing is pretty clean. You got the clear headlights. What do y'all think about the BMW? Leave a comment below and let me know. And then we got the Grand Prix. This is a 2005. This is just a base model GT. I mean, not a GT. It's a base model cloth interior. No sunroof. So, just basic Grand Prix. I had one I told you guys about. I had a gray one. I got smacked in the side by somebody not paying attention at the Walmart. This Walmart I was at. Why does the hood look a little off? I don't know what's up with that. We got the Pontiac G6. We're in the whole little Pontiac area. This is pretty nice looking. I don't really like the shape of this though, but it is a hard top. So that's cool for the summer. Black leather interior, so you can't go wrong with that black leather interior. Foggy lights though. Got the hazy lights. No price on these right here. That thing does look nice though. So, and that's where the large little brake light is, like a bar. And Chevy Cobalt LT, my grandmother just got rid of hers, but this one looks pretty clean. Got the shiny little hubcaps. No sunroof. That's cool. Cloth seats. Probably can't see that, so. But it does look pretty clean. It's nice and cleaned up. Foggy headlights, but it's not the SS, but hey, it's clean. Got the little spoiler in the back. That looks nice. Let's see what the. Of course, she ain't got nothing major with the exhaust because it's just, you know, a basic model. This is a 2007 Cobalt, so. And then we got the little Honda Fit right here. Thing is ugly. I don't like the Honda Fits. 2009 Honda Fit. Cloth interior. This would be like something good if you're doing like Uber or something like that. It looks like a little cab. These things are ugly. They're asking $29.95 for that. So that's the Honda Fit. Do y'all like these Honda Fits? Let me know what you think. And then we saw this pickup truck last time. I think both of these were here. But yeah, the 250, we'll look at it. Long bed, a little bit of rust right there. 4x4, we seen these ones. Both of these last time we were here in the Ford Focus. This was here as well. And I think this one was here as well. The 1500, yeah, because this one was all scraped up, so we're not even gonna look at it. Clear coat's peeling on the top, some faded, but we'll look at this. I don't think this was here last time, but this thing, let me tell you, my husband used to have Explorer. He had a few different Explorers, but the same one. Is this the limited? His was the limited. These things look so nice. Yep, this is the limited. Oh my god, it's beautiful. And look at that V8. If you get an Explorer, old school Explorer, this is the one you want to have right here. Look how nice it looks. It looks so much better than the other ones. This thing is beautiful. He had the same color. His kind of looked like a pearl white. But, you know, limited, you got the sunroof and all that. You get the leather interior. It's got the tan leather. What the heck is that though? Oh, they have like a, oh no, something happened. I guess they had an accident. They got the freaking steering wheel taped up. This one is a 2000. So I guess you get it as is, but doesn't that thing look clean? Brings back some memories. Good old Ford Explorer limited edition. Look at that. They got the tow hitch too. V8. You gonna skate on them. Thing looks pretty good. Leave a comment, you guys. Let me know what you think about this 2000 limited Ford Explorer. Thing looks pretty good. Yeah, you see these all the time. You got the lifted Jeep Cherokee. Looking kind of dusty though. Let's see. Leather interior. It's like grayish, bluish looking leather interior. Not bad. You can go see in the back window. So, Cherokee. Another Cherokee. Just as a Cherokee section. This one's got a flat tire a little bit. So, this one is a 1997, 159,437 miles on it. They must have just got this in from the auction. Still got the sticker on it. This one is faded on the hood. The front grill is sticking out, or the grill is sticking out a little bit on it. You just see, you can tell it's leaning. Look at it. It's leaning to the left side some. You got a blue Cherokee. This one has cloth interior. And this one has gray cloth interior. We'll take a look at the backs of them. Remember the boat right there? So, you got the tow hitches on both of them. Tow hitches. The wheels are shining on that one though. And then this thing is just sitting back here. This Mazda just wrecked. This thing is crashed, so yeah. The grill is busted. The hood doesn't match it. I'm not gonna go all in the woods just to get it, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I should have a new video coming out tomorrow, you guys, so I'm gonna catch y'all later. All right, see you on the next one.